Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can extract your audio from your video. So for this, you need to open your browser and here search audio extractor. Go to this website and here click on open video and I'm going to select my video. So it's upload our video. It may take some time to upload our video. You can also select your audio format like MP3, wave, iPhone ringtone. So I think the best one is wave file for your audio. So after upload this video, we can click on extract audio. So you can see this button is disabled right now. After upload this video, we can extract our audio. Our upload is done. Now we are going to click on extract audio. Now click on download and click on save. Now I'm going to open this.
Time is one of the most valuable resources we have, no matter.
So guys, that's where you can easily extract your audio from your video for free. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.